How to use binoculars with camera. The digital camera binoculars are becoming quite popular these days as it enables the users not just only to view the objects at a far distance, but also capture the images of the objects with huge digital zoom with the support of the binoculars. Most of the top binoculars models are designed with a built-in digital camera which allows you to see the object at a far distance and capture its images simultaneously. But what you don't know is that there are also best binoculars for long distance which allows you to capture the images of the objects with your smartphone. How to use binoculars with built-in digital camera? As the name suggests, the binoculars with camera usually take images of the objects using the built-in digital camera. The camera uses the magnifying lens of the binocular and captures the images of the objects located in the far distance. It is always suggested that you must make use of the high-end binoculars as it has the best digital camera for capturing the images of the objects in long distance. You simply need to aim and focus on an object using the objective lens of the binoculars and press the click button. The digital camera integrated into the binocular will record the image. After the image is captured by the digital camera, you can download it or transfer it on your device so that you can print it with ease. How to use binoculars with camera of smartphone? There are some models of binoculars which come with smartphone adapter, and you can use it to equip the smartphone for capturing images using the lens of your smartphone. Simply equip the adapter on the binocular and fix the smartphone into it and adjust the camera of your phone to one of the icons and you are done.